Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to download CapCut in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you want to download CapCut, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your App Store and here just go for search and just search for CapCut and your CapCut app will be here. Or you just have to check some settings to prevent any kind of issue to installing or downloading CapCut. So very first just scroll to the control center and make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. It might be Wi-Fi or the data. After doing that, you have to simply open your settings app here. Now in settings, just go to general, go to VPN device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you're connected to any VPN, just try to disconnect with your VPN. After disconnecting, go back. I recommend you have to also try to update your software because CapCut is a heavy software, so it might not be so your phone might not be able to run in a lower version of iOS. You just have to try to update your iOS version or your software here. If you find any kind of pending software updates after updating your software, just simply go back. You have to also check your iPhone storage. That if you have up to 5 to 10 GB free with your iPhone storage to download, install, and run your CapCut app smoothly. So once you have done or check all of these settings, simply open your App Store, go for search, and search for CapCut app, and you might get the app. You can easily install it from here. So I have already installed this here. I have option of update. Just have an update to install the latest update of your CapCut app if you have already installed it. So in this way, you can easily download and install CapCut app in your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.